Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 38 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 26, 2025 at 1400 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Category 4 Hurricane Melissa continues on its westward track while south of the island. At 1 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.4 degrees north, longitude 76.9 degrees west. This is 182 kilometers south-southwest of Morant Point or 180 kilometers south of Kingston, Jamaica. Melissa is moving slowly westward near 7 kilometers, and this motion is expected to continue today, followed by a turn to the north and northeast on Monday and Tuesday. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move closer to Jamaica and over the island through Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 220 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Additional intensification is forecast for the next day or so, followed by fluctuations in intensity. Melissa is expected to be a powerful major hurricane when making landfall in Jamaica Monday night or Tuesday morning. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 280 kilometers. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 700 millimeters, that is 15 to 30 inches, over parts of Jamaica in the next few days, especially over eastern parishes, with higher amounts over hilly terrain. Life-threatening flash floods and landslides are likely as the hurricane moves closer. Tropical storm force winds are expected to spread from the southeastern section of Jamaica. This afternoon to the northwest, hurricane conditions are expected by Monday. Life-threatening storm surge, accompanied by large and destructive waves, is likely along the south coast of Jamaica late Monday through Tuesday morning and could reach 9 to 13 feet above ground level, near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. Small craft operators, including fishers on the Keys and Banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on this system will be issued at 5 p.m. today. Please note, hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 119 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 38 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good afternoon.